All right, guys, how are you all? It's Steve Garay, Remax Broker, bringing you your economic performance and real estate numbers for the quarter ending September 30th, which is Q3 of this year versus Q3 of last year. However, before we get into that, let's take a look at what The Economist is saying. The newsletter that I'm going to refer to is dated November 2018, as you see on your screen. In general, they're saying that it's quite the rosy picture out there, with the exception of one item, and we'll touch upon that one item nearer to the end of this section to keep you in suspense. So let's see what they have to say. They say that all economic indicators are green except for one: the strong performance of the job market, the increase in disposable income, the high level of consumer confidence, and the low interest rates are behind the strong demand on Quebec's residential real estate market. This scenario will not be much different in 2019, other than for the fact that we expect mortgage rates to continue to gradually rise. So there you go. That's that, except for one part. They go on to say that the Quebec labor market is enjoying a boom period. In October, the province-wide unemployment rate was 5.2%, which is near its historic low. They also make reference to job growth and rising wages in 2017, where we posted a significant increase in per capita disposable income. This increase of 3.5% in real terms, corrected for inflation, is the highest since 2008. And this represents a significant increase in the purchasing power of Quebecers. Now, that's great. That's always wonderful to hear. At the same time, consumer confidence reached a 15-year high in September, with 46% of Quebecers thinking that now is a good time to make a major purchase, such as a house. So, that having been said, let's take a look at the specific numbers in your area of Chateauguay. And once again, as of September 30th of this year, we see that the median prices of single-family dwellings in your area, Chateauguay, is $248,000. This represents a 9% increase over Q3 of 2017. Over a 12-month period, it's $243,000. That's a 6% increase. And if you look at it from a 5-year perspective, that's up 13%. The other interesting point to take into consideration is that check out the number of listings in effect at 344 houses for sale. That represents a decrease of 11% compared to Q3 of 2017. So this means you've got less supply on the market. However, demand is strong, and when you have strong demand meeting short supply, prices generally get pushed up, and that's largely what we're seeing just about everywhere in Montreal. In many areas, we have multiple offer situations. So let's take a look at more precisely how the markets have evolved throughout the 12-month period, and we see that we've been trending in terms of single-family dwellings, the blue line here. It's all been in a seller's market indeed. And the red, which is condos, we see that that has drifted into a balanced market environment. And we can see that repeated here. So all properties up to $299,000 in terms of single-family dwellings are in a seller's market. $300,000 and more are in a buyer's market. So in general, real estate in Chateauguay is healthy, and I'm very glad to hear that. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Give me a buzz. My number, 514-298-9780. I'm Steve Garay, your friendly neighborhood Remax broker, signing off. Take care. Bye for now. Stay safe. Cheerio.